Hi. In one of our previous video blogs, we showed already how to take down the rear wheel and how to take out the cassette out of the bike. We did this at an Alpha 7, but it's similar to an Alpha 7, DF, DFXL, SLGT and a Quest. So if you didn't see that video, just click on the link below and you can find it. Why would you change the cassette? There are several reasons. It's worn out, it's very dirty and you want to clean it better. Or you want to change, for example, from 11 speed to a rotor 12 speed cassette. So I will show you how to do it, and I hope it's clear and you can do it from home. To replace the old cassette or remove the cassette and, on the freewheel, we need a couple of tools. A wrangler, an adjustable wrench and a special tool and some Vaseline. So what I do is put this key here inside. You see this, you have these gaps here and it fits perfectly in here. And then you have to make sure you untie it anti-clockwise. You have to counteract with the wrench and then you take it so this is a new one, so it's very nice and clean, so I don't make my hands dirty for this video. But normally this one is pretty dirty. So here I have a new rotor 12 speed 1152, and it's a really beautiful cassette. It's only temporarily hard to get. So you take out the dop on the back end, push out the front ring, and it's always a good practice to clean the old grease here away and bring some fresh Vaseline. So at the rotor cassette you have several positions it fits in, but the majority of the positions you see you have a little bit play. So you need to search for the position you have no play at all. Okay, I found it. I turn it around. I take the lock nut. Tied it a bit with the hands, and then we take the wrangler, I guess it's called, with the adjustable wrench, and we tied it 14 Newton meter. So that's similar to 4 kilo on a lever of 1 meter. So it's not that tight and also not that loose. So you really need to use some power on it.